Once again, this is UAP3X3. Use the hashtag UAP3X3. Post as many pictures, videos as you like on your social media accounts. And invite everybody to come here to the Ayala Malls Feliz.
Yuhi with that free throw, 1 point. To start off our game. Great ball handling.
Arsiga on the inside basket is good for her. Now these two teams lost earlier, Gretch. So they're both hungry for a victory. Gusto nila makabawi.
Arsiga has been very effective on that rebound though.
Oo.
Alam niya na kung saan pa puwesto. For LaSalle, of course, we have Johanna Marie Arsiga, Crise Bettina Binaohan, Bennett Rebelioso, and Baby Sharmeen Torres.
And of course, for the UE Red Warriors, or the Lady Warriors, they're getting ready here for that give and go play. Rebeliosa throws it out to Chrissy Binaohan. One all is our tally. Arsiga on the inside, basket is good, and LaSalle moves ahead 2-1.
Arsiga gets fouled. They just take possession. Turnover.
Missing on that shot on the outside, and Pedregosa is able to score.
Binaohan. Shot clock has expired. Ball goes to UE. Each game is 8 minutes long for the elimination round, 10 minutes for the semi-final and final round. We have DLSU and UE on court, tied at 2-all. Arsiga with outside shot, too short. Ball goes to UE.
Ganade. Crossover. It's a double crossover. Throws it out. Here's the drive by Cortesano.
Ikaw ba, Anton? Mahilig ka ba mag 3-on-3?
Yes, I actually won a championship in 3x3 recently.
Wow.
Yung ASEAN Basketball League Media 3x3 competition.
Ba, lumalaban pala to, ah.
Actually, kinramps ako eh. But it was all worth it. Yun nga, that's the challenge that you talk about with 3x3 because you play so many games on a single day. Somehow you have to conserve your energy also because you never know when your body's gonna give out, especially with the intensity. Sabi mo nga, parang full court press all throughout. By the way, speaking of the ABL, that's also something that we cover on SND. So tune into the games.
UE now leading by 2.
Pedregosa.
With a pass.
Ganade. Difficult shot. Napakahirap nun.
He takes
Hi, Sir M. Reveliosa. Did I hear baseball?
Yes, the
Wow.
baseball
Oh, by the way,
is ongoing.
I know baseball and softball are happening also, Gretch.
And
So
on
that's
volleyball
something.
also,
Oh,
of course,
mamaya.
this afternoon we have the women's matches. Anton is gonna
Actually-
head on over.
Hahabol ako dun eh. Ako, I know you're gonna watch Ateneo versus UE.
Oo naman. Saan ang laban? MOA o...
Sa Araneta.
Sa Araneta.
Sa Araneta yung laban. So, medyo malapit lang.
Dati nung panahon namin, madalas sa San Juan Arena
Oo,
lamang.
oo.
Ngayon, dalawa na lang pinagpipilian. MOA o Araneta. Dati pangarap lang namin maglaro doon. At nung nakatungtong kami doon, wow na wow kami. Masaya-masaya kami. Very, very big achievement. Now it's just a regular thing. Very, very happy.
ano mas gusto mo, Gretch? Yung unang pagtungtong mo sa Araneta sa volleyball player or yung unang all-star game mo sa LA? Ano yung mas masaya?
Medyo mahirap yata yun. Tingin ko yung Araneta.
Oh, wow.
Because
okay.
I used to watch a lot of basketball games, PBA games, when I was a
Ayun.
small kid. And to be able to play there in that historic court was something else.
And we will go there later on for the UAP, but dito muna tayo
I'm
sa
sure
Ayala
also-
Malls Feliz.
I'm sure it's also the same thing for these girls to have this platform, to have this stage. 3x3 on its second year. Definitely going very strong. UE now leading by 3 with only 2 and 43 left in the game.
Alam mo, Gretch, itong si Pong Ducanes, si Sultan of Stats, hindi lang pang stats,
Ano pa?
pang trivia rin.
Ano trivia?
May binigay siya na trivia sa akin. Sabi niya, ang host kasi ng 3x3 ngayon ay FEU. And we were just talking about volleyball. Ang FEU daw, ang unang school na nag-organize ng volleyball matches sa San Juan Arena.
Oh! Actually, ang first matches ko as a volleyball player was in FEU.
Oh,
also.
okay.
We used to have our games there. And masarap maglaro doon. Pero dati, kakunti lang yung nanonood sa amin. Ngayon, marami na. Kaya ngayon, San Juan Arena na, Araneta at saka MOA.
So great job to FEU for that and for organizing what has been a very exciting and entertaining UAP 3x3 today.
If you have anything to post, videos, photos, any news or tidbits, please do post those on social media with the hashtag UAAP3X3. Please do tag us at Gretchen Ho and at Mr. Pure Business.
Si Gretchen na lang po. Alam mo, Gretch, sana dinala mo yung bola mo dito sa mall.
Basketball.
Oh, yung bola mo, yung bitbit mo nung nasa Charlotte Mall tayo sa South Park Mall. From South Park Mall to Ayala Malls Feliz.
For conversation. For more followers.
Yung mga followers mo, umabot pa sa Charlotte, North Carolina.
Now UE with a big lead, 4 points. With only 1 and 40 left. Makakahabol kaya ang Lasal?
Arsiga.
Shot clock has run out. Ball goes to UE. Are they going to seal this game?
Pedregosa. Throws it out to the corner para kay Ganade.
Torres with the rebound. And the drive.
Napahoy, nice move si Renren. Arsiga steps back for 3.
Very crucial shot. Still doesn't get it.
Pedregosa, what a move! Under a minute to play. UE trying to hold on, looking
UE
for their third win.
can just wind down the clock. They are leading by 4. LaSalle with a steal. They need to shoot 2 outside shots to tie this ball game. They got
Oh!
1. One more.
Now they need a steal. They need a steal right here. Pero syempre, ubusin na lang ng UE yung oras. Oh, I think, Gretch, these guys are next. Are you guys next? Jerica Hanmisi in the house, everybody! There you go. Derek's fans. Right close to him here. You guys are next, right? Where are you guys playing? Oh!
FBU.
With Russell Westbrook. Ay, si ano pala? Si LJ Gonzalez.
FBU is leading, of course.
FU, the defending champions of UAP 3x3. And what a connection right there by the Pedregosas.
UE has taken this game 8-5. They're now at
3 and 3. Because they lost earlier and then they won this game.
Now
Alright.
we move on to the men's game, Adamson versus FEU. But before that, kausapin muna natin.
I think we have to talk to two players this time, Gretch. We have their full names, but let's get to know them more closely. The Pedregosas. Ayan, kausapin natin, Gretch. Full names nila, Princess Diane Pedregosa and Angelo Pedregosa. Are you twins? Twins ba kayo? No. Okay, just checking.
You are on your second game, of course. Kaya pa ba?
Kaya pa.
Kamusta naman ang experience?
Siyempre, nakakaba po kasi first time ko pong sumali ng 3-on-3. Pero laban pa rin para sa UB.
Kayo, paano ba kayo naghanda para sa tournament na ito? 2-day tournament lamang.
Wala, hindi kami naghahanda dito. Sa UAP talaga yung pinaghahandaan namin.
Pero kamusta naman ang feeling na kayong dalawa on the same team? Di ba kayo nagsasawa sa isa't isa?
Hindi. Hindi po. Siyempre, tulungan po kami para kapatid. Magkapatid.
Ayun, yun pala ang dynamic nila, parang magkakapatid. Oo. And after this game, who will you be up against next?
UP. Last game.
Last game before heading on to the semi-final round.
So 3 and 3 kayo ngayon. Good luck! The Pedregosa sisters!